The history of herbs. Ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome, ginger root, is widely used as a spice and folk medicine. Ginger is in the family of Zingiberaceae, which also includes turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. Ginger originated in maritime Southeast Asia and was likely domesticated first by the Austronesian peoples. It was transported with them throughout the Indo-Pacific during the Austronesian expansion in 5000 BC, reaching as far as Hawaii. Ginger is one of the first species to have been exported from Asia, arriving in Europe with the spice trade, and was used by ancient Greeks and Romans. The first written record of ginger comes from the Analects of Confucius, written in China during the Warring States period. In it, Confucius was said to eat ginger with every meal. In 406 AD, the monk Flaxian wrote that ginger was grown in pots and carried on Chinese ships to prevent scurvy. Ginger was introduced to the Mediterranean by the Arabs, described by writers like Dioscorides and Pliny the Elder. In 150 AD, Ptolemy in his writings noted that ginger was produced in Ceylon, current-day Sri Lanka. Raw and preserved ginger was imported into Europe during the Middle Ages, where it was described in the official pharmacopoeias of several countries. In 14th century England, a pound of ginger cost as much as a sheep. Ginger is a very popular food ingredient, and in India, it is used in making thick gravies, curries, and as a spice for tea and coffee. Finely chopped or ground ginger is the main ingredient of a paste that is mixed with onions and garlic and added to chicken dishes in Bangladesh. In Japan, young ginger is thinly sliced and pickled in vinegar and sugar, which is often eaten as a dessert or between different types of sushi, so it would clean the palate and prepare the mouth for a different taste. Malaysia, the Philippines, and Indonesia are also fond of ginger in its savory as well as sweet form. Since ancient times, ginger was used as a folk medicine. Jamaica ginger was frequently used for dyspepsia, gastroparesis, slow mobility symptoms, and constipation. A mixture of ginger and palm tree juice was used as a prevention from the flu. In Japan, ginger was used to help the circulation of blood. Tango-awasi juice, prepared in the Congo, is considered a cure-all and is made from ginger and sap from a mango tree. Ginger made into paste was used in India to relieve headaches by placing it on the temples. In some localities, ginger is used as a short-term relief of pregnancy-related nausea and vomiting. Thank you for watching The History of Herbs. Brought to you by Dherbs.com.